welcome to Learning with Miss Bethany. I'm so glad to see you today. Are you ready to sing some farm animal songs? Yes? Let's go! Farmer, farmer, what do you see? Can you look? What does the farmer see?
I see a brown cow looking at me.
He sees a brown cow. Farmer, farmer, what do you hear? Let's listen.
I hear a brown cow mooing at me.
Can you moo like a cow?
Moo.
Very good. Farmer, farmer, what do you see? What does farmer see?
I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Do you see the yellow duck? I see it too. Farmer, farmer, now what do you hear? Let's take a listen.
I hear the yellow duck quacking at me.
You hear the yellow duck? I heard the yellow duck too. Can you quack like a duck? I'll do it. Ready? Quack, 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 quack. It's so silly. Farmer, farmer, what do you see? Do you see?
He says, I see a pink pig looking at me.
Oh, a pink pig. Well, farmer, farmer, what do you hear? Let's take a listen.
I hear a pink pig squealing at me.
Can you squeal and oink like a piggy? Farmer, farmer, what do you see?
I see a red hen looking at me.
Farmer, farmer, what do you hear? Let's listen.
I hear a red hen clucking at me.
Can you cluck and buck like a red hen? Farmer, farmer, what do you see?
I see a black horse looking at me.
Do you see the black horse? There it is! I see it too! Farmer, farmer, what do you hear?
I hear the black horse neighing at me.
You hear the black horse neighing? Can you neigh like a black horse? Neigh! Farmer, farmer, what do you see? What does he see?
I see a white goat looking at me.
Do you see the white goat? It's right next to Mr. Farmer. Hi, Mr. White Goat. Farmer, farmer, what do you hear?
I hear the white goat bleating at me.
Can you bleat like a goat? Did you hear it? Let's try. Meh. I want to hear you. Can you try? Say meh. Ooh, I like it. Farmer, farmer, what do you see?
I see a white dog looking at me.
Do you see the white dog over there? I see it too. Hello, doggy. Hi. Farmer, farmer, what do you hear? Can you listen?
I hear a white dog barking at me.
The farmer hears the white dog barking. Did you hear the white dog barking? Me too. Can you bark like a doggy? Nice barking. Thanks, farmer. See you later. Bye. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had what did he have? A sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa here and a baa there. Here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's see what other animals he has. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had what's this? A piggy! E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. There's more animals. I see another one. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Wow, there's so many animals on his farm. There's more. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had what's this called? A cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Bye-bye, Mr. Cow. See you later. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some, what are these? Do you know what these are? Yes, chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck clucks. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Bye-bye, chickens. Do, 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 do. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some, what are these? Do you know what these are called? Yes, they're duckies. E-I-E-I-O. With a, what sound do they make? Yeah, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Bye, duckies. See you later. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a, do you know what this is? It's a goat. E-I-E-I-O. Hi, goat. With a meh here and a meh there. Here meh, there meh, everywhere meh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. See you later, barnyard. Wow, I had so much fun moving and grooving with you today. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!